Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation guys Ford Focus from year 2012 to year 2019 guys, and we'll show you how to guys remove or replace your rear seat guys. Okay, I'm talking about the whole rear seat, okay, not just the bottom seat. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do the top and everything else. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including guys this Ford Focus. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get tools and parts for incredibly good price guys. So check it out. Now let's go ahead and start on the rear seat removal guys. So we already have guys the front seats removed. We have videos on that as well, so we can have more room to show you guys how things work, but let me show you quick. Right here guys, depending whether you have a hatchback or sedan, you will have a 60/40 seat on the hatchback and a whole bench seat on the sedan guys. So that will be the only difference, but other than that everything is about the same guys. So now right here, okay, you can see we have guys 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 bolts that we need to remove, and these bolts guys are with, I believe it's Torx 40. So we're going to check out, let me see the two to verify. I think it's Torx 40. Okay, this is 45. They look like that one. Okay, check it out, start looking bit like this one guys. So we'll go ahead, pre-loosen those. The bottom seat is super easy to remove. Things get complicated with the top seat and we will explain why, because most people don't figure it out, okay, how it works there. So we have Torx 40, start looking bit. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. This is it guys. If you need to buy the tool, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. So right now we'll start, okay, getting those loose. Perfect. Okay, we'll do the impact in a little bit just to pre-loosen them. Two on the other side. So altogether 4 bolts that we need to take care of. Okay, this one was a little bit tighter. So we'll get a little impact. That one saves us quite a bit of time guys, and we'll go ahead and remove the 4 bolts. One is out. Second one now. Perfect. Now we have 2 more. Perfect, and we just have 1 more guys, okay, in this corner right here on the very right side on the driver. Perfect, we got that one out. Now we grab the seat guys, okay, and there is a hook on the back side. So I think, okay, let me show you now. I think you need to push it back and then lift up. Okay, we're going to check in a second. Let me show you where the hook is guys. Okay, the hook is, okay, this is the hook. Okay, you can see how this hook is right there, and it goes in that thing guys. So this one is out. Now we're going to do the same thing, okay, to this side right here. Okay, let's do that one. Grab it, pull it out guys. Okay, and the bottom seat is out. Now we need to work on the top. So what do we need to do next guys? Okay, we need to disconnect the seat belt. Okay, right here we have one seat belt with the Torx 50. This is for the middle seat guys that we need to disconnect the seat belt there. Okay, so check it out now. Just go ahead, remove that one, because otherwise you won't be able to get the one of the seats out. Okay, perfect. This one will come out with the seat. Now what else we need to do after that point? We need to guys bring the seat all the way down. Okay, so right here, okay, you press and you bring the seat down. What do we need to do to actually disconnect the seat now? Okay, you have guys a locking mechanism. Okay, let me move right here. This locking mechanism right here, and that middle part guys, okay, that middle part, you have to gently push it towards the back. Okay, then careful not to hit on the plastic because it will break, but get the screwdriver in and just hit it with the hammer until the mechanism opens guys.
Okay, I think it needs just a little bit more from what I can see. Okay, perfect. And it came up on this side, guys.
So we grab the seat. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and pull it out. So this one, guys, okay, it comes in an angle. And now it needs to come out of the other seat. Some people will remove the bracket there, but practically you don't have to, guys, because you can pull the seat without disconnecting, okay, that bracket right there. The bracket I'm talking about, okay, it's right here, it has 2 bolts, but you don't have to do it. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, this one almost came out. Okay, perfect, now it came out. So let's go ahead, pull it. We just need to move the other seat out first, and then this one. So I guess if you remove the little seat first, okay, things will work out easier for you guys. So now the same thing that we did on the other side, we're going to do, guys, on this side here. Okay, perfect. This one came up as well. And this is it, guys. You can see the rear seats, okay, bottom and the 2 halves on top came out, guys, just like that. So that's how you guys remove the rear seat on a Ford Focus, putting it together. Practically it's in reverse order with 2 kilo parts, guys. If you need to buy any tools or parts, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.